Hello, this is Abhishek Tiwari from GIT Computer College, Simariya Sidhi, Madhya Pradesh. Today we talk about HTML. What is HTML? What is the concept of HTML? What is the use of HTML? You can you can see here I am choosing this topic from DCA and the subject is internet and e-commerce and unit is third I mark this topic here. So let's start. What is HTML? First we know what is the full form of HTML. Actually HTML stands for hypertext markup language. With the help of HTML we can create our website or web page. In simple word, HTML only run on browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. And with the help of this HTML we can make our website or web page. So I explain this web page, what is web page, how we can create. Let's see, I explain in this video. First we know what is web page. Suppose that we have any link. When we click on this link, suppose that I have this link, hindustantimes.com. When we click on this link, the first page will open. You see here this page. We call this page as web page. Actually this is web page, and this is made by HTML. This web page is designed by HTML. And the inventor of HTML is Tim Berners-Lee. They invent this HTML in 1980. And one of the most important point here about HTML is platform independent. Means HTML never depend on any operating system. Any HTML page run in any operating system, doesn't matter it's Mac, Windows or Linux. This is very important point, you always remember it. And the another point is here. Lots of people think HTML is also a programming language. It's wrong. HTML is not a programming language, it's a markup language. C, C++, Java, C++, Java, all those are programming language. All these are programming language, but HTML is not a programming language, it's a markup language. And its work on browser. But C, C++, Java run on server. So C, C++, Java have lots of difference between markup language and programming language. They are not same. A programming language is another thing and markup language is another thing. And HTML is totally depend on tags. You never write anything write anything in your HTML file without knowing tag. Without knowing tag means if you don't know what is tag, how to use it, you never create your web page. You never create your web page. So let's we discuss some important tags. After that we will complete all tags. So what are the main important tags in HTML? Actually, four main tags in HTML. Four main tags in HTML. First one is HTML, second one is head, and third one is title, fourth one is body. And you see here I am writing HTML inside this sign. Inside this sign we call this syntax. We call whole line, we call this syntax. Actually this is syntax. This is syntax and tag. This is syntax and tag. So what is the use of HTML tag, head tag, title tag and body tag? When we start writing our HTML file, we use HTML tag. We start from here, and second one is head, and third one is title, and fourth one is body. So I clear you head tag is an also important tag, but when we write inside head tag anything, it's never show on web page. It's never show on web page, never visible, can't visible. And the third one is title. You see here title tag. Title tag play an important role. You see here I open this website hindustantimes.com. You see here this is title, and this is body. Yeah, this is body and this is title. When we write anything in this tag, this will show here in tab. And what we write inside body, this will show here. Yeah, you see here this is body, and this is title. And the rule of writing tag is also important. You see here this is a HTML tag, head tag and title tag. These are open tag, and these are closed tag. So what is the main rule of tag? When you open any tab, tag, you need to close it. You see here I am closing HTML tag, here I am opening, and here I am closing. Head tag is also open there, and close here. Title tag is also open there and close there. So what is the rule? When you open any tag, you need to close it. So let's start to make our first web page or HTML file. You see here I am writing some code here. You see I write some code here, but I show you practically. So what is the rule? First we write HTML code, second head, then title, and we close all the tag, You see here I open here HTML tag, but here I close. Here I close body, here I open. Same thing in head, same thing in title. So when you want to write your first HTML file, first you go through window button and search here notepad. Notepad, open your notepad and start writing your tag. So what is first tag? When we create our file, which tag we use? HTML. HTML. So this is open tag or close tag? This is open tag. And what is rule? When we open any tag, we need to close it. Yeah, you see here, I'm closing this tag. After this, which tag will come? Which tag? Head. Head. Open tag. What is the rule? When we open any tag, we close. Inside head tag, we add one another tag, title. Yeah, this is title tag. What is the rule? Close. When you open any tag, you need to close it. You need to close it. And you place something here. I write some words here, GIT. After writing these tags, you need to save it. I am saving this file in D drive, and the name of my drive is trial dot html. You see here, I am writing trial dot html. Trial is the name of our HTML file, and HTML is the extension. This is main point here, important point. If you forget this, your file will not run on browser. So please never forget this point and save it. Minimize it. Where we save our file, inside D drive, and the name of our file is trial. So you open this file in Chrome. Right click on this, open with Chrome. You see here. I am writing GIT inside title. This will show here. Okay. I add some another words. Okay, welcome GIT, and then save it. Again refresh it. Yeah, you see here, welcome GIT. And the last one, you see here, I am adding some body. We complete title, and the last tag is, fourth one tag is body. So open body tag. What is the rule? When we open any tag, we need to close it. Yeah, we close it. Inside body, what we write? Inside body, anything we write, it will show here. You see inside body I am writing some content. Welcome to GIT College Samaria Seedhi MP. Okay, save it. Save it, and then again refresh it. Yeah, you see, this is body part, and this is title part. This is body part, and this is title part. So please write code in any file and practice in your home, and practice is important thing here. Practice is important thing here. One more thing I want to clear you. If you give space, suppose that I am giving space here inside tag, it's harm to your file. Let's see, save it and then run again. You see here, this is issue, this is error. So when you write tag, you need to aware this, you need to follow all rules. No any space between tag, no any space inside tag. Write in correct way, otherwise you will face problem. So in this video we complete what is HTML, how it's work, and what is the benefit, what is the use of this tag, what is the use of HTML. So so if you have any query, if you want to ask anything about HTML, you can comments on my channel. Definitely when I have time, I will give answer to you. If you want to learn HTML in Hindi, you can move down, you get here all the things which make you better if you know Hindi. Otherwise no need. If you know English, you can watch this video, or you can work with this video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye, good day.